Thank you for choosing the iSpring Whole House Central Water Softener. This video will show you how to properly install and operate the water softener system. Before we begin, please carefully read the user manual and ensure your water pressure is 21 psi or above. The system's maximum pressure limit is 64 psi. If daytime pressure is 64 psi, nighttime pressure may exceed the maximum limit. If necessary, use a pressure reduction valve to regulate the inlet water pressure to 64 psi. The installation location should be well ventilated and protected against wind, rain, and direct sunlight. Water temperature ranges from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The system is intended for cold water use only. Do not run hot water through the system. The system requires a 120-volt power outlet. Never touch the power cord connector when your hands are wet, as this may cause electric shock. Connect the softener to the main water supply before the water heater. It is recommended to have a pre-filter installed before the softener. If you have an electric water heater, please turn off the power during installation to avoid damage. The softener comes with 1-inch and 3/4 inch NPT water inlet and outlet connectors. The softener requires a sewage pipe for draining wastewater from the backwash and regeneration. The sewage pipe size should be at least 1/2 inch in diameter and not exceed 20 feet in length. Otherwise, a 3/4 inch sewage pipe is required. The drain hose must be secured and ensure the sewage pipe always remains open to avoid flooding. The overflow pipe and drain hose must be connected to the sewage pipe separately and must not be combined. Unauthorized modification and disassembly are strictly prohibited and will void the warranty. Contact us if you have any questions. Please ensure all parts were included in the package and have all the required connectors and tools ready. Preparation. Different settings require different connecting setups. In this video, we will demonstrate the installation with push-fit connectors. Convert fittings may be needed if you have a different size setup. Step 1. Position the softener on the installation site and ensure it is placed upright on a flat surface. Step 2. Lift the cover and unplug the controller cable to remove the entire cover. Step 3. Take out the bubble wrap inside the tank. Add softening salt pellets to the tank until 2/3 full. Step 4. Install O-ring to male connectors. Apply silicone grease to the O-ring evenly. Step 5. Pull out the locking clamps and install male connectors to the water inlet and outlet ports. Insert the locking clamps to secure the connectors. Installation. Step 1. Shut off the main water supply and turn on a faucet on the water supply line to drain the remaining water and air from the pipe. Step 2. Measure and cut the main water inlet pipe. Prepare a bucket to catch water from the pipe. Step 3. Connect the water softener to the water line. Please pay attention to the water inlet and outlet directions. Step 4. Cut the included hose into 2 pieces to use for drain and overflow. A longer hose may be needed if the sewage pipe is further apart. Insert the drain hoses to the drain connector and secure it with a metal clamp. Install the other drain hose to the overflow connector and secure it with a metal clamp. Step 5. Insert or connect the drain hose and overflow hose to the sewage pipe. Ensure the hoses are secure to prevent leaks. Step 6. Attach the controller cable to the system and reinstall the cover. System regeneration. Before turning on the system, please ensure the system control valves are in the bypass position. Plug in the power adapter and connect the other end to a power supply. Ensure the system is on. Step 1. Slowly turn on the main water supply and let the water run from the faucet for a few minutes until the pipes are free of any foreign material that may have entered the pipes during installation. Step 2. Press and hold the menu button for 3 seconds to unlock the controller interface. Please note that the interface will lock automatically after 4 minutes of standby. Step 3. Press and hold the Confirm button for 3 seconds to enter manual regeneration mode. Press the Confirm button again to enable the selection. Press the Up or Down buttons to highlight the immediate regeneration. Press Menu button to start the immediate regen. The system will start a default regeneration process, which combines 90 minutes of brine, 2 minutes of backwash, 5 minutes of rinse, and about 11 minutes of refill. Step 4. Press any button to skip the brine step and advance to the backwash, waiting until backwash text shows on the display and starts the countdown. Unplug the power supply to keep the system in the backwash state. Step 5. Slowly turn the system water inlet valve a 1/4 inch open to allow water into the system. Opening the valve rapidly could cause equipment damage and resin loss. Let the water fill until the air in the resin tank is completely discharged and water steadily flows out of the drain tube. Then, completely open the water inlet valve and flush the resin tank until the water is completely clean. Step 6. Plug in the power supply. The control valve will continue to run the remaining regeneration steps and return to regular use after completion. These steps will take about 30 minutes to complete. Step 7. After completing the initial regeneration, let the system stand for 24 hours to produce enough concentrated brine in the brine tank. Set the system control valves to the bypass position. 24 hours later, reopen the water inlet valve. Start another complete regeneration process to ensure the resin meets the requirements for regular use. Please do not unplug power, shut off the water, or press any button on the controller during the regeneration process. The controller will automatically return to the regular mode when finished. Step 8. Open the water outlet valve to the service position and turn on a nearby faucet. Let the water run for 5 minutes and ensure the water is clear before use. Check and ensure there are no leaks occur. Congratulations! Your iSpring Whole House Central Water Softener is now set up and ready for use. Please refer to the user manual for detailed programming and adjusting the controller parameter. Contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you for watching.